you guessed the #1 cause of vehicle repairs in the Phoenix area? Hi, I'm Dale from Autoplex Auto Service. We have the big three. We have transmission issues, engine issues, and HVAC AC issues. If you maintain your vehicle properly ahead of time, you can avoid a lot of these issues. Lots of oil changes, check for leaks, check for bad hoses, recommend a transmission flush every 3 to 4 years. If you take care of these items, we can prevent having issues in the future. An overheating engine can cost you thousands of dollars, if not a new engine, where if you just had proper oil changes and check for leaks, everything will be fine. Same with AC jobs. Don't wait until your compressor fails or your condenser gets clogged up. Transmission issues. Don't wait until your transmission's not shifting properly to service your vehicle. I'm Dale from Autoplex Auto Service, and I would love to help you maintain your vehicle.